Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my oil pepper, and I'm going to be showing you this oil is the oil that maybe when you are eating and you need you want to spice up your food, and you just take the oil and put inside the food. It can stay as long as let me say over a year, sometimes 2 years if you don't open it, but you need to make sure that the oil is closed. So I'm going to be using this chili pepper here, and the good news is that you can use any pepper of your choice, like any pepper. You can use those tiny dry pepper. I'm going to be using this fresh one. If you can find this one, good. If you can find the other one, scotch bonnet pepper, maybe you want to try it, you can use it as well. So yeah, so now I'm going to be showing the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this oil pepper. Guys, to make this pepper oil, I have my pepper here already washed, so make sure you wash your pepper. So I have 2 jars here because I'm going to be giving one of it to my friend. So this is why I'm making 2. You will need extra virgin of olive oil, okay, so make sure you get a good olive oil for that. You'll be needing some salt. Lastly, wine vinegar. Is called aceto di vino bianco. So this is Italian, so in English is wine vinegar. You'll be needing that as well. My pepper is already washed and dry. This is why I put it on this. So I'm going to go ahead now to cut this pepper in cube. I'm going to cut them off camera, then I will bring you back to show you the next step, okay? So guys, as you can see, I'm done slicing the peppers. So this is what I got from that pepper that I showed you. So now I'm going to add them into my bowl, but I'm not going to be adding all at once. So I'm going to put the first layer of the pepper into the bowl, then add some salt over the pepper. Then I'm going to repeat the same until the pepper are all into the bowl. So I'm done doing that. Now I'm going to cover it and allow this to stay until the next day, okay? So guys, this is after 24 hours. I did this yesterday, and here we go. This is the pepper. The next step after 24 hours is to add your vinegar, white wine vinegar. So I'm going to add the vinegar into the peppers now, and allow them to stay for 2 to 3 hours before I will filter the vinegar out. But if you remove, like the next day, if there is any liquid that came out of the pepper, I filtered mine out. It's just a little bit liquid before adding the vinegar. Like I said before, allow it to stay on the vinegar for 2 to 3 hours. Then you filter it. The vinegar helps to preserve the pepper. It serves as a conservative. So this is after 3 hours, and I filtered the vinegar out. So now it's time to start adding the pepper into the jar. So all the peppers are into the jar. Now I'm going to add the extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure that the oil is above the peppers, okay? If they are not, after adding the first batch, press it down to make sure that the oils are going to be above the pepper, okay? Like I said, use 100% extra virgin of olive oil to do this for a better result. So now I'm going to cover them. Make sure you cover this very well. So allow them to stay for a month before you start using them. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really love to use this pepper a lot. Thank you for watching, and share this video if you find this video helpful. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.